Welcome dear students. Today the topic is demultiplexer. It is also known as data distributor because it will select single data input and create several output. Now we are discussing in details. Demultiplexer is a logical or logic circuit that, depending on the status of its select inputs, channel its data input to one of the several data output. See in the figure here only one data input and select input must be needed and create several data as a output. In this figure mentioning p0 p1 up to pn minus 1, that is number of input to minus 1. This is the functional diagram of a general demultiplexer. Now coming to its application, that is how it will create or how it will working. See, in this part we are discussing one line to four line demultiplexer. For one line to four line demultiplexer means it will multiply data input and select input and create an output. See, in the first point, the input data line goes to all of the AND gates, that is it will using multiplexing, that is a multiply term, so it will AND gate will be used. And in the second part, for one line to four line, you see that four line, for creating four line there are number of select input is 2 because the polynomial of 4 in 2 square. Now coming to its truth table, see in the truth table there are selected input 2 s1 s0, so we are creating a binary formation of two input binary table 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, and we are mentioning the our output is p3 p2 p1 and up to p0. For 0 0 the answer is 0, so p0 will indicate as a data output. 0 1 answer is 1, p1 indicated d. 1 0 answer is 2, p2 indicated, and 1 1 answer is 3, p3 indicated. That is our data will flow single time with all selected inputs. Now logic diagram. Coming to logic diagram, you see that all of our data selection, that is our data input, a common line, and our select line s1 s0 creating two parts, that is one is its enable, that is a real part, and another is using a NOT gate part. We are creating NOT gate for bar combination or for inverting combination s1 s0 similarly. Now coming to p0, in p0 part our data is common, so we are taking data as a common line. But see, for p0 answer is 0, so answer is 0, that is 0 0, so 0 0 means bar, so s1 bar s0 bar. Coming to the next part, p1, here also data is common, and 1 binary code is 0 1, so 0, first one is 0, that is s1 bar, and 1, that is s0. There here no bar will used. Coming to the third part, also data common line, but in p2 binary combination is 1 0, so 1 0 1 means s1 is real and s0 is inverted. Coming to the last part, that is our p3. In p3, see, answer is 1 1, so s1 and s0 both are in a real term, there are no inverted combination. This is the total one line to four line demultiplexer. Coming to the next part, one line to 8 line demultiplexer. In one line to 8 line demultiplexer, see, here also our data line is 1, but how many select line we used? First of all, see, 8 line. So the polynomial of 2, 8 equal to 2 cube, So 2 cube, that is our select line is 3. So we are taking our select line as a S0, S1 and S2. Now this they already mentioned it that 8 line. So our output is 8 line, that is we are taking P0 to P7, 8 combination. Now for S2, S1, S0, we are creating a 3 input binary table: 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 0 triple double 1 up to triple 1. Now first of all, see triple 0, that is its answer is 0. So P not indicated as a data output. 0 0 1, answer is 1, P1 indicated. 0 1 0, P2 indicated. 0 double 1, answer is 3, that's why P3 indicated. 1 double 0, P4 indicated. 1 0 1, P5 indicated. 1 1 0, answer is 6, that's why P6 data D indicated. And coming to the last part, that is triple 1, our last bit, that is P7 data output is indicated. Coming to its logic diagram, see, in the logic diagram we are creating data common line and creating S2, S1, S0. One is a real line and another is a inverted line using NOT gate. Now see, for P0 we know that for P0 answer is 0. And here data in the all 8 combination, data is common. You first of all remember it, data is a common line, so we are not focusing on data. Coming to the P0 selected input combination, that is our selected input in for P0 is 000. So all of 3 inputs are inverted, so we are creating a inverted line all of 3 and joining a AND gate and and it will produce P0. Coming to its P1 part, in P1 binary code is 001, that is our last part is 1. So S0, so S0 is our real part, so S0 is created from real term and other two are from our inverted line. 2 P2, for P2 line, see, for P2 line our answer is 010, that is our middle selected line, that is S1 is our real and other two are inverted. So there, see, other two are inverted but S1 is real. Coming to the P3 part, for P3 binary code is 011. So see, 011 0, first one is 0, that is S2 is coming from inverted, and double one from S1 is coming to the real line and S0 also coming to the real line. Coming to the P4 part, in P4 part answer is 100, that is 1. See, our first term is 1, that is S2. Here S2, it is S2, S2 from the real line and S1 and S0 are from inverted line. See, here inverted line are created. Now coming to the P5 line, that is our sixth data output. See, for 5 binary combination is 101. So for 101, 1 for that is S2 coming from real line, 0 that is S1 coming from inverted line, and also S0 coming from real line. Coming to P6 part, 7th output, for P6 part 6 binary combination is 110. So 11, see here it is coming from real line, first one is 1, again second term is 1, that's why it is coming from real line, but last one is from inverted line. And coming to the last part, that is P7, all our 3 bits are enable line, that is real line, so all are coming from real line of the selected input. And here we combining P7 part, and all of 8 cases data is a common. See, all of 8 cases data is common line. Now coming to the next part, in our next part they suggest draw 5 line to 32 line demultiplexer using 4 line to 16 line demultiplexer. See, you using 2D demultiplexer, first of all you select 2D demultiplexer. We are taking a rectangular box of 2 demultiplexer, and they also suggest that 4 line. So we are creating a 4 line. First of all, A1, A2, A3, A4 are creating 4 line. 4 into 16 demarks, but they also mention it 5 line. Total line is 5. So you see, when we are using more than one combination, we are always create another signal that is commonly known as enable signal. So we are connecting an enable signal here. And also you remember it, when you connect one enable signal is a real, another is a inverted, because two operation not in a same time, one operation at a time. So for this part they will connect a NOT gate here. Now our total combination is 32 line. So see, 32 line, so 4 to 16 also they will mention it, from first demultiplexer 16 output. So we are creating 0 1 dot dot up to 15, that is our total combination 16, and remaining 16 to 31 our last 16 combination. This is the full 5 line to 32 line demultiplexer.